745 stained on bombs, part J. Let's get into it. So in the top level constant macros, we have this WAM KAM area. That stands for right area mask, kill area mask. This is the kill area mask for the stained on bombs, and the inverse of that is the right area mask for the stained on bombs, right? The stained glass panels. These are all of the bits that encode stained glass panels within the 32-bit binary tile payload for the bomb data, and this is the inverse. Okay, we're gonna do a sanity check right here and make sure that these two masks, when we smash them together, gets us 32 bits in a row. And then we have some monkey wrench macros here for possible misspellings. This right here is actually an enumeration telling us that we have a stained on bomb type of a killed glass panel. Let's go down to the next section. Okay, Fracaboo stands for fractal brush. This is the fractal brush function section. And within our main fractal brush tile setter function, we have this IWAM parameter, which stands for input right area mask. We're actually going to need to do something with that later. So let's scroll down here and see what we're looking at here. So inside this section right here, if the right area mask is all of the bits, we can just use the normal TileBoy tile setter. But if otherwise, we need to add some more code. And we do need to add some more code now. We'll do that in the next video. In the mouse master, within mouse master editor put U32, we put a U32 into the tile map when the engine is acting as an editor. Let's scroll the fuck down here. We're gonna run out of fucking time. Okay, scrolling the fuck down here. When the fractal brush is on, and we have the first controller, we're not going to do any change to this right area mask. We're setting all the bits. But if we're in the new glass panel editor controller, edict number 2, then we are going to want to use WAM SOB for our right area mask. We're going to do some error checking right here and some more error checking right here just to see that those masks are complements. But really, it's just this part that we care about when we're in here, right? And then otherwise, we're going to throw an error if it's neither editor controller 1 or editor controller 2. This is just for reference. I was looking for places where this was being called. Anyways, let's get the fuck out of here. We're out of fucking time. If you want a shorter explanation, a longer explanation, go here. You're at the fast code review, and source code is here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name's Kanji Coder.